What is your favorite food?
Japanese food.
Japanese. What is your favorite food?
Apple.
Apple.
Yeah.
What's your favorite food?
I think rice with chicken.
Rice with chicken.
With sauces, different sauces.
Different sauces.
What's my favorite food?
Yeah.
Sushi.
Sushi.
Yes.
Thanks, man.
Food?
Yes.
Rice with beef.
Rice with beef. Nice, man. Your favorite food?
My favorite food is actually mixed grill,
Mixed grill.
Arabic grill.
Arabic.
The favourite food?
Yes. What is your favorite food?
Probably Mediterranean.
What is your favorite food?
Favorite food?
Yeah.
Biryani.
Biryani. What is your favorite food?
Biryani.
Biryani. Chicken?
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
I'm from India, South India, so my traditional food is favorite for me.
What's anything particular?
Food, thali, rice.
Rice. Thanks. Favorite food?
I don't know. I like chicken.
Rice and chicken.